This is a short video explaining how to turn right off a dual carriageway. You'll see a sign coming up on the left which says there's a turning for Tedbent St Mary in about half a mile. As soon as it's safe to do so, we're going to position into that right hand lane. Normally we wouldn't be in this lane unless we were overtaking, but we are allowed to if we're turning right. So the next thing to do is to look to see whether there's anywhere in the central reservation that we can wait. Now this one does have a filter lane, quite a long one, so we're going to position into that filter lane and start slowing down. If you look ahead, you'll see we've got give way markings. There's quite a lot of traffic on the other side of the carriageway, so we're just going to have to wait until it's safe to take our turn. Now you can just about see to the right of the frame there's a blue sign with an arrow and a no entry. So basically we need to keep to the left of that sign. If we were to keep to the right, that's the no entry, that's where the traffic is coming out onto the dual carriageway. So we're looking for both lanes to have a reasonable gap here. Remember that traffic is going quite fast, potentially 70 miles an hour. This is the national speed limit dual carriageway, potentially a bit faster if they're speeding. And we do need to make sure we've got a safe gap here. When we move off, we also need to be aware of any vehicles coming out of that side road, because we've got the give way markings here. We also need to give way to them, as well as the traffic that's already on the dual carriageway. So it's still quite busy here. We're just waiting patiently for that gap. It's really important that we don't take a risk here. The gap will present itself, and when it does so, we need to be confident. So we're starting to edge, we can see the gap ahead, and then we're going to go for it. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.